My seatbelt is not cracked, damaged, or broken. There's no thread separation, and it's easy lock, easy unlock. And then my seatbelt mounts are not cracked, damaged, or broken. There's no nut bolts missing, and they're properly mounted. So now I'm going to safely start my truck. Both my brakes are engaged. My truck is in neutral, and I check my side mirrors. There's no one around me. So now I'm going to turn my key to the on position. So my ABS light comes on, and my ABS light goes off. So that means my ABS system is working properly. Now I can turn on my truck. So now while my air pressure is building, I'm going to start my in-cab inspection. So my 3 safety triangles are not cracked, damaged, or broken, and they're ready to use. Then my floor area is not cracked, damaged, or broken. It's always clean. Then my fire extinguisher is not cracked, damaged, or broken. There's no leaks. It's ABC rated. My needle is in the green, means it's fully charged, and the safety pin is always on. And then I have 6 extra fuses here ready to use. Then I'm going to go to my defroster. So I'm going to turn it all the way to hot, and then put it on the defrost position. I'm going to wait for the sound to change. So now I hear the air blowing. So my defroster is working properly. I'm going to switch it to the AC. I messed up. Fuck.
It's all good.
I forgot to turn the fan on.